HCTF challenge, and the challenge I'm going to be doing today is going to be called warmup, and it's HCTF challenge. So the first thing you want to do is click on the scenario and start it up, which I already did for the most part. And what you want to do is just click on the URL, and we're directed to this page. And if we click the view page source, we're giving the source code, which is source.php. So that's where we want to head to next. So if we go to source.php, we see that we have this thing right here where we have whitelist stuff for checking the file. The whitelist are source.php and hint.php. And after that, we get if it isn't set or if it isn't a string, it says you can't see it. And then if it's in the array of the whitelist, then that means it's true. And substring, it gets the substring of it, and I'm guessing it adds it to the pages. So now what do we want to do here? If URL decodes as substring, true, you can't see it false. So it's requesting for a file, and if it's a string, it passes it, and it can't be an empty string. And then it checks if the file's there. And if it's in there, that means I'm guessing it prints it out, or else and then it exits, or else it just prints out this face right here, which we have right here. So what do we want to do? We want to be able to get the flag, so we want to look at the hint. So we'll check out hint.php, and then we have this right here. So we go to hint.php, it says flag is not here, and flags and flag. So what do we do right here? So the whole point of this challenge is basically passing in a file, and that file where we're gonna pass in is gonna be called, it could be any file, it could be either the hint or the source, but in my case I'm gonna try source.php. And now since we have the source.php, what we want to be able to do is basically pass in a question mark, put an equal sign, and then after that pass in a bunch of directories. So we want to do then first we probably want to have it as flag or hint.php. So like flags and here, flags and flags. So what this is basically gonna do is just add it at the end of the file and add it at source.php. And what it's gonna do is build it up. So from here we want to be able to go back a directory. So we're gonna start going back a directory every time. So it's gonna search for source.php, but since source.php, this makes it a directory, and then after that it's gonna go back and then look for flag.php. If we do this, we get nothing because there's nothing there. So if we keep on doing this for the most part, eventually we should get a flag. So we keep on doing this and we get the flag. So if we just grab this, basically put it right here and then enter, we get incorrect answer because there's a space. We submit it, and we get submitted too often. We just gotta wait for a bit. But yeah, this is how you do it. So how this will work is that the file is searching for source.php, but then what happens here is that this question mark equals adds all this right here. It adds it right here, and it basically makes a directory, and then since it's not there, it's gonna go back and back and back until it reaches the flag, which I'm guessing flag is located at a different part in the in the background. So if I submit this, we have congratulations, you answered the question correctly. So yeah, that was about it for this challenge. It was mostly a cool PHP challenge, pretty cool warm up. But yeah, that's about it for me. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.